Hi, I'm Tom from System Q, and let me introduce you to the DVRs and NVRs from ZIP. They are superb CCTV recorders with tons of great features. So let's take a closer look. This is 10 reasons the ZIP DVRs and NVRs beat the competition hands down. 1. The top of the range recorders clock in at a stunning 4K resolution. 2. They're simple to set up, with a remote support session for every ZIP DVR and NVR. 3. The GUI is really easy to use, and we should know because we designed it here in the UK. 4. ZIP NVRs and DVRs are trade-only products, which means that any end users will have to go through you, the security installer, to get one for themselves. 5. There is a massive range of ZIP security products to go alongside their recorders, including IP and TVI cameras with brackets and bases, fisheye cameras, rapid deploy cameras, and Wi-Fi cameras. 6. We also offer ZIP products with your own branding applied to them, so that they can fit right in with your other installations. 7. ZIP CCTV has UK-designed software to integrate with your security system effortlessly. 8. There's also the free ZIP Vision app for Android and iOS, so you can take your CCTV on the go. 9. ZIP recorders come with 3 free years DDNS, giving you internet access to your devices with a simple domain name, and saving you the cost of subscription fees from other providers. 10. Our UK-based support team are here to support you with any and all ZIP-related questions that you might have. So, ZIP DVRs and NVRs have got a lot going for them. 4K video recording, free software and support, and an immense range of ZIP products to go along with them. So, to get in on the action for yourself, head over to systemq.com. Cheers.